Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can import your chat history from Claude AI into your chat history, for example, for context on Qwen AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your account on Qwen AI, log into it and click into your profile icon in the bottom left. Select settings from that drop-down menu here. Next, navigate to chats on the left hand side and click into import here to the right. But before you do that, you will need to export your chat history from Claude AI first, so that you may import it here in JSON file format. To do that, navigate to Claude, log into your account and click into your profile icon in the bottom left. Next, click into settings here. And in that window here, guys, what you want to do is navigate to privacy. And then here scroll down and you will see export data. Click into it. Then choose the time range for conversations, for example, 30 days, 90 days, custom, and then set a time range. So I will leave it at that calendar here, for example, for the entire first half of the year 2026, but you can choose another start and end date or range from that calendar here. So below, guys, what you want to do is click into export. You will see all elements and components included into the exporting, like your conversations and project. Click into export and wait for the exporting to be finished. And after that, guys, once the data has been exported, for example, in JSON file format, you will need to navigate back to this window here on Qwen AI, click into import chats here, navigate to the given folder, and then choose the file. There you go. You should see a notification like this, import dialog, successful. To use it, for example, for context for your conversations here on Qwen AI. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.